If you've been looking for a gentle hydrating face wash, this is a face wash recipe you want to watch to the end because you're going to learn a lot. And this face wash is very hydrating and very effective. I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY honey face wash. This face wash is so hydrating, is so soothing, and can be used by all skin type, and you can easily come up with yours at home. So let's get started. You're going to get distilled water. This is 180 mils of distilled water, and you're going to add about 25 to 30 mils of honey. Okay, so this is a DIY honey face wash. Honey is a hydrating product. Honey helps to draw in moisture into the skin. Okay, so once you add the honey, make sure that you stir to incorporate everything. So like I said, honey is a very good ingredient. It's a humectant that helps to draw in moisture into the skin. So this is a super hydrating face wash your skin is definitely going to love. So the next ingredient you are going to be using is 25 mils of glycerin, okay, to half teaspoon of xanthan gum. Okay, so xanthan gum is a thickener, and we need to dissolve the xanthan gum, okay, in glycerin so that our face wash will not be lumpy, right? So this helps to easily dissolve the xanthan gum. So if you want your face wash to have this jelly kind of texture, you need xanthan gum, which is a thickener, right? And it also helps to draw moisture into the skin. So it's fully dissolved. You're going to be adding it into the honey water content. I'm going to be mixing everything together. So once you keep mixing it, you're going to notice that the consistency of the face wash has thickened a little. Okay, so guys, this face wash recipe is super hydrating. So if you have dry skin, this will be super. And like I said, even all skin types can use it because all skin type need moisture. You don't need something that will strip you off the oils in your skin. So if you want that kind of product that doesn't strip out, your natural oils, this is one face wash you can make yourself and start using. So you're going to mix this very well. You keep mixing until everything is well incorporated, until you begin to notice that it has begun to thicken and everything is well incorporated. That is where you're going to go to the next level. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to add surfactants. So this is 50 mils of surfactant, 30 mils of cocoa glucoside, and 20 mils of cocoa betaine mixed together. Okay, so this is a surfactant and it can be called a foaming agent. So this is what will give a face wash that foaming texture, right? And these are mild surfactants. It doesn't strip off the skin's natural oil. So if you're going for a surfactant, these surfactants are your best bet. Okay, you're going to mix, and once incorporated, you're going to be adding your preservative. Of course, we need preservatives to prolong the shelf life of this face wash. So after adding half teaspoon of preservative, you're going to mix very well till everything is well incorporated. So it's also best that you check the pH of the product. If it's high, you lower it with citric acid. Then as you guys can see, we are pouring it into a clean and sterilized container. Guys, this face wash is what you want to try. If you're looking for a gentle face wash that will hydrate your skin and will not strip off your skin of its natural oil, this is a face wash you want to start making and start using. Like I said, you can use this face wash irrespective of your skin type. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one, and bye for now.